In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to Trello, ensuring your billing information is up to date and ready for any upgrades or subscriptions you might need. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to Trello's website at trello.com. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to do so. Look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account using either your email or by linking your Google account if you've set that up as your preferred login method. Enter your credentials and you should land on your Trello workspace. From the home page, navigate to the Boards section, which is conveniently located at the top of your screen. Within this area, you'll find all your boards and workspaces, those collaborative spaces where you keep your projects organized. Scroll until you locate the Your Workspaces section. This is essential because managing billing is tied to your workspace rather than individual boards. Once there, click on the workspace where you want to add or update your credit card details. Within your chosen workspace, you'll see a number of settings and options, but what we're interested in today is the workspace settings. Go ahead and click on that. In the settings menu, look for the billing option, which is where we'll manage financial details. Clicking on billing will take you to a page where you can view the current plans and select one that fits your needs. Here you have the flexibility to review and choose from different plans that Trello offers, making sure you're on the correct one that suits your usage. With the plan selected, the next step is to enter your credit card details. Ensure you enter all information accurately, including your card number, expiration date and security code. This information is critical for processing payments securely. Once that's done, you'll see an option that says Next, Confirm Payment. By clicking this, the system will guide you through the final confirmation stage. It's crucial that you double check all the information you've entered before hitting Confirm, just to avoid any mishaps. And there you have it. With these steps, you've updated or added your credit card information on Trello. Now your subscription details are all set and you're ready to explore all the features Trello has to offer without any interruption. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Trello, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.